Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to playing Airplane Story. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. There's one that is like 10 seconds, so you better go. Yeah. Okay, come on, 4 seconds, come on. Oh no, never mind.
The one that was full was gone, so missed it.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Alright, we have 2 more seconds left. We have, 10 players.
Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. What is my C? C9. So let's find 9. See where C is.
A14.
C. Okay. It's over here. Okay, I'm on this side. Kind of close to the front.
I'm all the way in the back.
At least you're in my row.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, like you're in the ABC row. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 7282. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The current weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Okay, that sounds good. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, let's explore. First class looks pretty boring, honestly. Just looks like you have like more feet room and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, fine, I'll go. In this back room, I wonder what this number is for 2726.
What on the phone?
Oh, okay.
Cool. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh no. 999 C9. Sit. Let me sit. Okay.
Okay.
I was so close to dying.
5 more minutes. 3 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
You mean seconds?
Oh, beautiful. Well, no, it's minutes.
It's seconds.
Well, in Roblox, like, for time, they do not.
Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you for your cooperation.
In minutes in Roblox, like, in Utopia, it says, like, minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Minutes, hours. And
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Ooh, snacks. I love snacks.
I love snacks. I really hope it's something yummy. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches.
This sandwich is so good. This sandwich is so good, it makes me want to dance.
That's
Dancing.
What's wrong? I'm not feeling very well.
I know it. You good?
You okay? Wait, does this sandwich have mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no. We have to do something. How do we help? Oh no! Quickly! We need to find Shero 7,752 and 528 bag for medicine. I found it! Oh, phew. That was a close one.
That was very close. I'm glad that we saved her. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you that we have reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
Okay.
I will do that. I'm so tired.
I will do that, exactly. I'm tired. These stars are beautiful. Aren't they, Alexa?
Yeah. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh, a few hours.
Oh, that's so long. I just want to get to our destination already.
I know, it's going to be so fun going to Hawaii, right?
Yeah. And I can't wait to go to the town in Hawaii called Utopia.
Yeah, that's really fun. It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Annoying.
Energy, it's so dark. I mean, at least I could sleep better now, though.
Yeah. Guys, look. What is on the outside list? Wait, what?
What? Oh my gosh, what is that?
What is that?
You will not survive. What?
Eliza,
Are those snakes?
Eliza, get on the seat.
Oh my gosh, I hate snakes. Ah!
Where are they?
Snakes? I don't see any snakes. Oh, I see the snakes. I see the snakes.
Oh God, I hate snakes. Here, maybe the bathroom will open. Here, you check that side. I'll check this side.
Okay.
Where? This one. Oh, phew. Okay. I think we're safe, hopefully.
Yeah.
I have no idea what's going on here.
Yeah, I really don't know anything that's happening. I just hope everybody's safe.
Oh my God. This is scary.
This is so scary.
I can't believe those were snakes. That was scary. I agree. We should discuss what the heck's happening.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's discuss. There's snakes on the plane. There was a weird monster that screamed at us, and the power just went out. I don't think those are coincidences.
Ivy, calm down.
What?
Calm down.
I can't calm down. I can't calm down.
Maybe it's
Eliza.
just like a dream or something.
There were just snakes everywhere. What do you mean, calm down?
Maybe it's like a dream or something. I don't know.
A dream? Yeah, we all dream at the same time.
True. I don't know what's happening.
Just sit in your seat. I don't want the plane to totally flip over and fall out. Power is back up. Okay, well.
And the snakes are gone. Thank God.
Yeah, thank God is right. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy.
That was super creepy.
It is pretty creepy knowing that the creature may have died or jumped off and survived. What? Okay.
Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. More bad news.
More bad news.
What could happen? The good news is the power's back up. Thanks,
Okay,
Captain
that's
Obvious. Jeez. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. What?
Serious?
Oxygen max will drop from over your seats. Take one, quick.
What?
Oh no, I don't have one. I don't have one.
I have to come get one over here.
I'm trying to run. Give me this. Okay, I got it. Oh, I can breathe.
Oh no.
That was a close one. No, this person died.
Just died.
Oh no. I don't want to die. I'm too beautiful to die. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. It better. I'm giving this plane a 0 star. If that's even possible.
-1 billion.
Yeah, people are dying on this plane. What is wrong? They shouldn't even be launching this plane if this always happens. I mean, it might not, but still.
Oh my God. What is this?
What did you see?
Bomb. It looks like a bomb.
A bomb?
No. Oh my God. What do we do?
I found scissors. Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save the Clown Town 2048. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors.
Good job.
What cable should I cut?
I think you should cut red.
I think blue. I don't know. Red or blue,
Bombs
red or
can be
blue.
different each time. Cut red, you only have 5 seconds.
Okay, I did it. I cut the red cable.
Bad. Please don't be bad.
No. No. I told you I should have caught Blue, Ivy. He didn't make it. No, I feel so guilty. We have to keep going if we want to survive.
Your fault. I was the one that said cut red.
Oh, no.
This is bad, guys. And how did a bomb just spawn on him?
It must have been the monster.
We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything's okay.
Yes, we should.
Okay, you're right.
I don't really know what we should do.
Nothing seems to be. Go to the back of the plane. I mean, they're probably just doing crewy stuff.
Yeah. Honestly, there's nothing really else I can do.
No, nothing seems to be wrong. Except that.
What? What? What is happening? Yes, we do. We have to get to the captain room. Let's go.
Captain room. I saved a little bit of that mayonnaise sandwich.
It's locked.
Oh no. How do we get inside?
Something is happening inside. The captain might be in trouble.
The door needs a code. I remember the code.
What was it?
It was, I think it started with a 6. I know where it is though.
Okay, go find it. I'm gonna try to see if I can look through the cracks of the doors.
I found the code.
Good job, Ivy.
Okay, it's 2726.
Okay.
We got this.
2726.
Got it.
Oh my gosh! It's a monster! It's the creature! Oh no, no, no.
Oh my god.
What is... You will pay for what you have done. What do you mean what we have done? We haven't done anything. You think that you were here on accident, but you're not. What do you mean? We came here to go to Livetopia in Hawaii. I brought you here. All of you.
That's
Wait,
amazingly
how?
impossible. That's impossible. That is not possible.
Yeah, like, I went on here myself. It is. And now, it is time to die. What?
I'm out.
No. Bye. Bye. I don't want to die today.
What about the captain?
See you in the
We have
afterlife.
to help him.
Yeah. Or else the plane's gonna crash.
What is this? These circle things? Oh, okay. Captain!
Captain!
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Okay.
The captain is unconscious. Just like the crew. What is happening?
The plane is falling! What are we going to do?
Oh, no. I don't want to die.
We need to find an autopilot button. Click all of them. Click all of them. They're not working. Click everything and find that button before we die. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gotta do these ones.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Over here.
It's gotta be here.
I found the button.
Thank God, Eliza. This oxygen mask is really helping.
Yeah.
We did it. We saved the plane. Oh, I feel so relieved. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already.
Yes.
Same. Woo.
Can't wait to go home and just lay in my bed.
Now, all we need to do is find the emergency phone. I remember where the phone was. Remember?
Yeah, we found the phone. I remember where it was.
I'll lead you guys.
I think I know where it was. I think it's like right... or here somewhere.
We're right here.
Yeah, I found it earlier when I was exploring the airplane.
Yeah, both of us did.
Yeah.
Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious, and so are the crewmates. Don't worry. We will take you home in no time. Is everything okay? And everyone? Yes, we're okay. Autopilot mode is on, but a few people did pass away. Okay. We've traced your location, and we are talking to control, and we are taking control. There's one last task I have for you, okay? Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I'll do it.
I'll do it.
It's okay. I know how to do it.
I do too. I got my things.
I went to college to do this, and I'm in the Air Force.
Yes, same. We do it together. We do our job together. I guess whoever gets there first gets to do it. I hope it's me. Because I never get to do this stuff. Please. Yay! I'll make you proud. Oh, yes. Okay, everyone. I got this.
No, you don't. You'll probably crash the plane because you're the worst one in the school.
Excuse you. I got an A+ in everything. You're just jealous. Oh no, it's a monster.
Oh no, it's back.
Hi. Mwahaha. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Oh, what do you mean by that? Last chance, Happy Cat 679. That's me. Crash this plane, and we'll rule the underworld for eternity. No thank you. No thank you. Just leave me alone,
Don't do it alive.
please. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak.
No, we're not. You're weak.
Yeah, look. I'm saving this plane. This is not the last time you'll see me. Yes it is. What do you mean by that?
What did you mean that? It's gone. Finally. That monster thing is gone unless it comes back.
Wait. He said it was not the last time we see him.
I heard that too.
What did he mean?
Oh,
Who
God.
cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up.
Me too. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching, and
Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. Bye.